Hey Possums! So first I am going in with a big fluffy brush and I'm painting Alex's face entirely white. I'm using Fusion Bodyart for this in white. I've never tried this brand, but I'm really liking how it works so far. So we're going to blend this all over the face, and again, it doesn't have to be perfect because it's BeetleJuice and he's not really perfect. We're also going to blend this down onto the neck and the ears just to give this a cohesive look. Next, I'm going in with Urban Decay's electric palette, and I'm taking the purple that's in the palette and blending this all over the eyes and underneath the eyes. Not really keeping it any form, just blended and messy kind of. Next, I'm going in with Scottys Makeup Alcohol palette, and I'm taking the green and filling in Alex's eyebrows to give him some lovely green eyebrows. If you don't have alcohol colors, use any green makeup that you have. Green eyeshadow works just amazing on top of white paint. Now I'm going in with a textured sponge and some green body paint, also by Fusion Bodyart, and I'm stippling this all over the spots where I want him to look mossy and gross. So I go around the ears, around the edges of his face, his mouth and his nose, and I do it on various parts of his neck too. Also, using various shades of green is really fun as it gives a bigger textured effect. I'm going in with a big fluffy brush and a light green and placing it all over the bits that I use the dark green, as this is giving me more of the green color that I'm wanting. Now I'm using Prosaide with the same stipple sponge, and I'm stippling it on where I want to place the artificial moss. Now I got this moss from Spotlight, and it comes just in a big pack of artificial fake moss, and I'm just peeling it apart and simply putting it on and sticking it onto Alex's face, which he does not seem to enjoy. I'm placing this moss on the tops of his forehead, and I'm also placing it down this side of his face, and I place a bit at his mouth also. Now, Prosaide is a medical grade adhesive that us SFX makeup artists use. It is quite strong, so I would recommend using and getting isopropyl mirror state to remove it. It's an oily substance that is amazing for removal. And now I'm going in with that same green that I used to blend all the colors, and I'm going in on his hair and in his hairline just to give the look a very cohesive feel. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. And same with the face, I'm going in with the hair with various shades of green just to give it some depth. And I'm adding black around his eyes as I felt he needed some darkness around his eyes. And once you've done that, you're done. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Yeah, cool. Day shippies.
Yeah, that's what we end up.